What is up, guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you that how our domain name will look. So this is the domain name that we registered, and this is how it is looking. Okay, so now in this video we're going to be installing WordPress in it. So let's get started. So how I'm going to log into cPanel is that I have to write here iTunesDeal.com and then slash in cPanel. So it's going to redirect me to cPanel account. Okay, and then I have to enter my username, and I also have to enter my password. So I'm gonna copy my password from the mail. Let's go here and let's see where it is. So this is the one, the HostGator info. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this password. I'm just gonna change this password right now so that I know what my password is. Okay, I'm just gonna hit login, and it's gonna log me into my cPanel. So this is basically the thing where all your website is controlled. You can control your website completely from here, and this tab is now no needed. You don't have to log into your Namecheap account because everything is done. You just have to enter the name server from here, and that's it. You can close this, and now you can manage your website completely from here. So this is basically your control panel. Okay, so what we want is that we need to change our password for this HostGator control panel. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down, and here we go. We have in password and security. Let's go, and I need to paste the password. And now I have to enter the password that is new. So the password would be okay. The new password would be again here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit change your password now. So here you go. You can see that it has logged me out. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna enter this, and now I'm gonna enter the password again. Here we go. You can see that I am now in the cPanel and my password is changed. So basically what we want to do right here is that we need to install WordPress onto our website, so that if we open our website like this, okay, if I just open up iTunesDeal.com, then here should be the WordPress window appearing. Okay, so what I want to do here, I just want to go ahead, I want to go to build a new WordPress site. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this. You can also click here directly, or you can go to the website essentials and then site builder and CMS, and then here would be a section that would say that install WordPress, so you can click that as well. Okay, so I want to select my domain name. So here should be all your domain names that are in your hosting file. So I'm just gonna select my one domain name. This is the one. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna choose the directory. I want this to be the normal directory or the root directory, or I want to install WordPress on my main page. So I don't want to install it in any of the directory. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hit next. In the title, I have to enter the title, and I can write any of the title. So I can add title to be like my name. Okay, and username should be this, the first name, and the last name. Okay, and now I have to enter the admin email address. So the admin email address would be this. Okay, here it says automatically create a new database for this installation. You have to check this, and then you have to check this as well that says terms of service agreement. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna check this, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit install, and you can see that WordPress is being installed on my website. And now when it will be done, I have to just come here, and then I have to refresh my website, and then you're gonna see how it's gonna look. Okay, so let's go ahead, and you can see that it says installation is complete. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna hit this, refresh this, and now you're gonna see that WordPress is now installed on my website, and you can see it says just another WordPress website. If I go down, here is my whole website. Now I want to log into my WordPress panel, and I have to change my password to the normal password that I want to use. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to hit this, and I'm going to hit wp-admin. Okay, it's going to log me into my admin panel. So you have to enter your domain name, and then you have to enter wp-admin. Remember one thing, your domain name / cPanel is going to take you to your cPanel, and your domain name / wp-admin is going to take you to WordPress admin panel, where you can manage your WordPress website. Okay, so here you can manage your website completely, you can manage your emails and stuff, and here you can manage your WordPress website. Okay, your WordPress stuff here. So let's go ahead, let's just hit enter, and it's going to take us to the WordPress admin page. So let's wait, and here we go. You can see that this is our WordPress admin panel. We have to enter this username here, and we have to copy this password. Let's enter this username. Let's paste the password, and let's go ahead and let's hit login. So here we go. You can see that we are now taken to our WordPress dashboard. You can see, here I am. Now here it says, welcome to WordPress. What kind of site can we help you set up? So you don't have to choose anything here. You just have to hit, I don't need help, because I am here to help you. Okay, let's just hit, and here we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to close this. And now the first thing what you have to do is that you have to just go to the plugins. Just go to install plugins. Okay, just go to the install plugins. And let's go down, and here it says, you can see that the blue lines comes. So in which of the plugin that blue lines come, you have to check this, check this, check this, and check this. And what you have to do, you have to go to the bulk actions, you have to just hit deactivate, and then you have to hit apply. Okay, so when everything is applied, what you have to do, you have to select all, and then go ahead and delete every plugin. And let's go ahead and let's hit apply. Okay, let's go ahead and let's hit OK. So you can see that every plugin is going to be deleted, and our website would be fully fresh. So these were the plugins that were basically defaultly installed by WordPress and HostGator. So we don't need these plugins. I'm going to show you each and everything from A to Z. Okay, so now you can see that this is how our dashboard is looking. Now the second thing what we have to do is that we need to go and change our password. So you can see where it says howdy your name. You have to just go to edit my profile, and then you have to go down where it says generate password. You have to just hit this, and then you have to enter your own new password, and that is going to be, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit update profile, and there we go. You can see that your profile has been updated. You can save your password if you want to, and you can see that this is my whole website, which is running WordPress completely. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video, we're going to learn more. Goodbye.